Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, AVAX, since my last video, has basically just moved sideways. Also here, I think we are looking at a situation where this fourth wave that I indicated is probably going to start, where this is looking like a triangle. Yeah, we're gonna get here as well, possibly an Elliott wave triangle in this fourth wave before we get a last wave down in a fifth. Could the low already be in? Yes, you probably find a way to count it as complete, but the price action doesn't confirm it yet. So if we have in an ideal wave count, the price pattern not complete yet, and the price doesn't suggest we should change the price pattern or we should change the count. As long as that's the case, we're gonna focus on the current wave count, which suggests one more low. And yeah, we looked in the previous video at possible targets, I think, so we can do that again. Certainly, we're currently holding below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, which is the golden ratio. So far, I have no strong sign that an uptrend has started, but again, it can start at any moment. What I would like to see is basically a confirmation of the same, which would be a break above the descending trend line. At the moment, we're following a downtrend and a break above that, and you could draw a channel here as well, but a bit pointless because what's important is the upside. So as long as we don't break above this descending trend line, the focus needs to remain on the downside. And yeah, let's look at targets for a possible fifth wave here. Now they will move depending on what kind of fourth wave structure is evolving here. Yeah, so it could very well be that this fourth wave that we see here on the, I'm going to go to the 1 hour chart now. That this fourth wave is possibly already complete, yeah, with an ABC like Bitcoin. Yeah, we could count it that way. Based on that, we possibly started already a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, and we could now head down further. I mean, that's possible. That's absolutely possible. But without a break below the 1390 level, I cannot confirm that. And I'm actually looking at a possible Elliott wave triangle here in the fourth wave. Yeah, but this would be a direct breakout structure, and it could start at any moment. Okay, because this wave 2 already retraced basically to the 50% Fibonacci retracement, which is an ideal target for a wave 2. So yeah, these are just possibilities on the lower time frame, but this is how it would work out if we were to break out to the downside now. Triangle wise, yeah, I mean, it's also a bit too early to confirm we are in an Elliott wave triangle because we might have only had wave A up, B down. Yeah, this could be the C now, then you get a D and an E and then break down. So therefore, as I always say, don't put too much brain power to try to unfold and uncover the Elliott wave corrective structures on a very low time frame. They have to be changed very frequently. However, it is actually needed in order to calculate a proper target for the fifth wave. So until I have a proper target for the fourth, or until I know that the fourth wave is complete, I can't really accurately identify targets for the fifth. However, we can use here the wave A, go to the high of the B wave, and you can see that we have now reached the 1.272 Fib extension. That's a possible target for a C wave. Yeah. Next level down would be 13. So next level down would be 1357, which is the 1.38 Fib extension. Yeah, and below that we've got 1299, and ideally it doesn't drop below 1299. Should it drop below 1299, next target would be 1217. But already below 1299, it would reduce the reliability of this particular scenario, in which we could get a third wave to the upside to $30 and more. So yeah, that's basically where we are. Not really any change to the count, just sort of the message that we need to be a bit, keep an open mind and be flexible around the wave 4 here. Wave 4s often are a bit ambiguous, which means you can get different kinds of, it looks like this, and then in the end it will turn into a different pattern, okay? So, I mean, for example, if you are in a correction, it could just be a simple ABC. It could morph into a larger ABC. It could become a WXY. It could be a triangle. So, yeah, it's not very easy to especially on a small time frame, to count really a corrective wave structure, because it leave so many possibilities. Biggest benefit we have here is to understand that we are in a corrective structure and that we need to be ready for a possible additional fifth wave to the downside. And I gave you some ideas about targets. And but either way, ideally we are sort of getting close here to the end of this correction. I mean, similar story to some other coins here. Often in such a move down, the strongest reading is the third wave. Here on the 1 hour chart, it was at least one of the strongest readings here. So down here on the 9th of March, which sort of coincides with the third wave low. We can also double check the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, it's even more significant because here on the 4 hour chart, this low was indeed the lowest reading, the strongest reading on the relative strength index. And what could happen now if we make one more low on the price chart, we might make a higher low on the indicator, creating a bullish divergence, which could set it up for higher. That's typically part of a bottoming process. Yeah, okay, and this is my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.